Hi, good morning all of you. In this video, we are discussing about the general reasoning. In general reasoning, we are discussing alphabet series, word series and analogy. Okay. First of all, most important, alphabet position. First of all, write A to Z letters and write numbers here. A1, B2, C3 like that up to Z. Z is equal to 26. And after completion of A to Z letters and you can mention that numbers, then you can mark 5 and 10 and 15, 20 and 25. Okay, like this. Okay, A is equal to 1, B2, C3, D4. This is the most important point. Okay, and memory these 5 also. E is equal to 5, J1, J10, O15, T20 and Y26. After completion of this, you can write from Z to A. From Z to A. Z to A. Z is equal to 1, Y is equal to 2, X is equal to 3 like that. And A is equal to 26, B is equal to 25 like that. Okay. Comparing with here A is equal to 1, Z is equal to 26. Okay. A is equal to 1, Z is equal to 26 like that. And A is equal to Z, B is equal to Y. Okay, like that. Just I am giving one most important example models. What is the position of the R? What is the position of the R? You have two methods. The first one is counting method. A, B, C, D like that. Otherwise, a simple short trick. Position of the R. This is the T20. T20. Therefore, minus 2. Therefore, R is equal to 18. What is the position of W? What is the position of W? Z is equal to 26. 26 minus 3. 23 is the answer. Next, what is the position of Q? Nearby O. O is equal to 15. Therefore, plus 2. Therefore, 17 is the answer. Okay, like that. Next, reverse alphabets. Okay, and left to right movement. This is also most important. Reverse alphabets. Already we discussed here. This is a reverse alphabets. Okay. Z is equal to A. Y is equal to B. X is equal to C. W is equal to D. Like that. And one important formula. In any question, they are asking opposite position. The formula is 27 minus original position. 27 minus original position. It's very, very important formula. In question, what is the opposite of the H? First of all, we want to know the value of H. H is equal to 8. Therefore, 27 minus 8, 19 is the answer. What is the value of 19? Yes is the answer. Next, what is the opposite of K? K is equal to 11. 27 minus 11, 16. Therefore, 16 is equal to P is the answer. What is the opposite value of R? R is equal to 18. Therefore, 27 minus 18. Therefore, 9. 9 is equal to I is the answer. Next point. Most important. When you are counting from the right, you can add. From left, you can subtract. This is the most important formula. Most important formula. When you are counting from the right, add. When you are counting from the left, subtract. Fifth right of H. Suppose you are writing A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P like. Here this is the H. You can, what is the value of H? H is equal to 8. Then this is the right. Then you can add 5. Okay. Once again I am telling to you. Here in this question they are giving right. The first of all you can write the value of H. H का value लिखने के बाद you can add the 5. 8 plus 5 is equal to 13. What is the value of 13? You can observe here. What is the value of 13? 13 is equal to M. Therefore answer is M is the answer. Next, fourth left of R. R is equal to 18. Okay. Therefore, left. They are asking about the left. What is meant by left? Subtract. Therefore, 18 minus 4, 14. What is the value of 14? 14 is equal to n. Therefore, answer is n. Therefore, answer is n. Next. Letters between. Letters between. Okay. Suppose they are asking the some letter. They are asking some letter. What is the how many letters between the A and N? Okay. Simple technique. Simple technique. First of all, numbers letters between two letters. Larger position minus smaller position minus 1. This is the technique. Most important technique. Larger position. Larger position. Okay. Now we can go through the examples. What is the between how many letters between G and P? How many letters G and P? What is the value of G? 7. What is the value of P? 16. Therefore, largest number 16 minus 7 minus 1. Therefore, 8 is the answer. How many letters between C and T? T is equal to 20. 20 minus 3 minus 1, that is equal to 16 is the answer. Therefore, 16 letters between C and T. How many letters between K and S? S is equal to 9. 19. 19 minus 11 minus 1. Therefore, answer is 7. Okay. Next, side heading middle letter. Next technique, middle letter. What is the exact middle position? Formula is P1 plus P2 by 2. Simple. Don't remember these formulas. Okay. I am giving simple technique. What is the middle of H and R? First of all, write the value of H. H is equal to 8 and R is equal to 18. Therefore, 8 plus 18 by 2. That is equal to 26 by 2. That is equal to 13. What is the value of 13? 13 is equal to m. This is the simple technique. Next, D is equal to 4. Next question. What is the middle value of the D and N? D and N. D is equal to 4. N is equal to 14. What is the middle number? 4 plus 14 by 2. That is equal to 18 by 2. That is equal to 9. 9 is equal to I. This is the answer. This is the answer. Okay. Simple technique. This formula is most important. Next. Word test. Jumbled letters and word formation. They are giving one letter train and rearrange these 5 letters. Rearrange these 5 letters. Okay. Train. But that is a meaning letter or non-meaning letter. Suppose they are asking the meaning letter, you can write. Non-meaning letters, there are much more. There is only one answer, that is a train. Next question. Rate. There are several words may be possible. Rate, tear and tear. It must be meaningful word. It must be meaningful word. Meaningful English word. Okay. In this, you do not add or remove letters. Example, computer. Check the option letter by letter. Check the option letter by letter. You can utilize these all letters. Only computer. Okay. Options, computer, root, mute, camera. Example. Word cannot be formed. One example I am giving. Word cannot be formed. Given computer. Options are computer, root, mute, camera. First of all, you can observe here. In this word, we cannot add or remove letters. Example, camera मान लो. There is A add हो गया. Therefore, it's wrong. Root, some letters are deleted. Therefore, wrong. Mute, some letters are deleted. Wrong. Therefore, computer. This is the only answer. Okay. Okay. Computer and some letters are used. Okay. Camera, it requires A. Therefore, it is not possible. These three are possible. But camera is not possible. Why? Because in camera there is A. Okay, it's very simple. Next question. Dictionary order. In this method, they are given 4 or 5 letters to you. You can arrange a simple way. First of all, one example. Okay. Comparing words from left to right. First of all, this is the question. Ball, bank, bar, bat. Simple. First of all, you can observe BA is common. BA is common. Therefore, you can write all BAs here. BA, 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 BA. Okay. Next, you can think about the L, N, R, A. Sorry, R, T. There are 4 letters here. L, LL, NK, RK, and T. Okay. You can count A, B, C, D, F. Already we have A, B, C, D, F. First letter. What is the first letter? Here you can observe counting from A to these letters. Counting from A to these letters. L is first coming. Therefore, you can write ball here. Next, N is coming. Then you can write bank here. After that, R coming. Then you can write bark here. The last one is T. Okay. Here, BA is common first of all. Next, Ken, cap, car, cat. CA is common for all letters. CA is common for all letters. Then you can read the alphabets once again. N, P, R, T. Therefore, this is the order. Okay. Next, dance, dare, dear, degree. Okay. First of all, you can observe here DA, DA. Therefore, I am writing directly dance and dare. Next one, you can observe these two. DE, DE same. But here A first came. Therefore, dear and degree. This is the alphabetical order model. Most important. Next, middle word method. Middle word method. Same like this. First of all, first arrange all words in dictionary method, dictionary order. Then the select the required position. Example, dance, degree, dare, dear, and defense. Just I am adding defense. First of all, you can write order. Dance, dare, dear, defense, and degree. What is the middle word? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Dear is the middle word. Therefore, this is the answer. Okay. Next, letter arrangements. Letter arrangements. In this concept, if letters are arranged alphabetically, comparing the original word with the rearranged word position. Okay. In first question, they are given letter word cat. Suppose the cat word according to alphabetical dictionary model, which letter is unchanged? This is the question. Which letter is unchanged? I am writing here. This is the given question cat. According to dictionary ACT, you can observe I am giving here a box. Here a box. CAT. This is the given word. According to alphabetical, ACT. Which number is not changed? Which number is not changed? T is not changed. Therefore, one letter. This is the answer. That is a T. Okay. It has two types of chances. They are asking how many numbers are not changed, how many letters are not changed, or which letter is not changed. Okay. Next question. Deal. Original deal, alphabetical order. DD, DA, and ED. Therefore, only one letter is unchanged. That is the L. Only one letter is unchanged. That is the L. Therefore, answer is L. Next question. Mate. Original mate, alphabetical order. AEMT. AEMT. Therefore, 0 unchanged. Next. Okay. I am giving one example to you. Arrange the letters of note alphabetically. How many letters stay in the same position? Original note. You can, first of all, you can take a box here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Note. This is the original. And alphabetical ENOT. There is no common. Okay, therefore unchanged 0. Therefore unchanged. Therefore unchanged. Answer is 0. Not O, 0. Okay. Next. Next. Analogy. What is meant by analogy? In analogy means the simple technique. You can find the relation between these. Here first concept AB and what is the letter? It is very simple, just I am giving to you. It's depend upon the relationships. First of all, you can observe the relationship. Then after, name the relationship clearly and apply exactly same as the relationship C. Suppose they are given like this. First of all, observe these two, then observe these, then you can write what is the value. Just I am giving one example. Example, big, large. Big, large. What is the small? You can observe big and large almost same, have similar meaning. Therefore small and I can write little. I can write little. Next, day and night. It is the opposite relation. Day, morning, night, opposite relation. What is meant by light? Day represents light, night represents darkness. Next, teacher, school, judge. It's person and workplace. Teacher, workplace, school. Judge, workplace, court. Next, doctor, stethoscope. It's person and tool. Doctor, stethoscope. Doctor, person. Its tool is stethoscope. Carpenter, hammer. Okay. Pen, writing. Its object and function. Here, with the help of the pen, we can write. With the knife, with the help of knife, we cut. Therefore, okay. Finger, hand. Part and whole. Finger is a part on a hand. Therefore, toy is a part on foot. This is the simple. Next, analogy with high frequency relations. Memorize the relationship, not pair. Okay. Synonym, its meaning almost same meaning. Rapid, fast. Intelligence means clever. Antonym means opposite place. Opposite. Victory, defeat. Happiness, sorrow. Sorrow. Sorrow means sad. Person, place. Chef related to the kitchen. Judge related to the court. Person and tool. Doctor, stethoscope. Carpenter, hammer. Already discussed. Objective, function. With the help of camera, we can take photographs. With the help of printer, we can printing. Animal and young one. This is also most important. Horse, foal, dog, puppy. Cat. What about cat? Write on comment box. Animal, sound. Snake's hiss. Horse, knee. Part and whole. Page, book. Page is a part on a book. Brick is a part on building. Material and product. Wood is a part on furniture. Leather is a part on shoes. Place and object. Library, books. In library, all are books. In museum, artifacts. These are the main points. These are the main points. You can observe this is a very, very, very important. Okay. Next. Number analogy and letter analogy. Simple. They are giving number analogy means finding mathematical operation connecting the first pair. First of all, they are given 6 and 36. You can observe 6 square, 6 cube, 6 into some value, whatever may be. 6 square, 36. 8 square. Therefore, answer is 64 is the answer. You can observe. 327, 4, what is the next value? 3 cube, 27. 4 cube, 64. Next value. 721. You can think much more types. 7 into 3, 21. 9 into 3, 27. This is the answer. Okay. Next. 5, 11 and 8, 11. 8, 11. Sorry, 8. Next to answer. What is the answer? Simple. There are much more types. It's depend upon answer also. Suppose 5 into 2 plus 1, that is equal to 11. Second option. 8 into 2 plus 1, 16 plus 17. This is the answer. Next. Letter analogy concept. Convert the letters into position or comparing shifts. Here given C, F, H. What is the value in number series? In alphabet series we discussed. The value of C is equal to 3. The value of F is equal to 6. The value of 8 is equal to, the value of H is equal to 8. What is this value? Here observe. You can observe what is the value. Simple. The gap between these two is equal to 3. 3, 6. Therefore 8 plus 3, 11. Therefore here the answer is 11. What is the number of 11? 11 is equal to K. Therefore K is the answer. Next question. D4. W 23. When comparing these two, A represents B. Sorry, A represents Z. B Y. C X. D represents W. Therefore answer is D W. Then what is the answer of the F? F represents U. This is the answer. Next. Okay. Next question. A, B, C, D, E, F. What about the G, H, I? Just simple. A to D, B to E, C to F. Next. G plus 3. G plus 3. J. H plus 3. K. I plus 3. L. J, K, L is the answer. Next. A, B, C, C, B, A. What is the D, E, F? Okay. A, B, C. They are writing in reverse order. Therefore, D, E, F answer reverse. F, E, D. This is the answer. Okay. In most different model sums, advanced model sums, advanced letter clusters. Okay. A, B, C, B, D, F. Here A represents B, B represents D, C represents F. Okay. मतलब A plus 1 is equal to B. B plus 1 represents B, B plus 2 represents D. C plus 3 that is equal to F. Like that. Next. ABC is to ZYX. ABC is to ZYX. Its meaning A represents Z, B represents Y, C represents X. In reverse manner. Okay. Therefore DEF. D represents W, E represents V, F represents U. This is the answer. Next. Alphanumeric. This is also most important. Alphanumeric. AB 12, CD 34, EF 56. What is the next answer? You can very simple. Here AB, CD, EF, GH. It's completed. GH. Observe here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Therefore, GH78 is the answer. This is the simple technique you can observe, and this is the formula paper. Topic in golden rule: A is equal to 1, Z is equal to 26. Opposite letter 27 minus position. Letters between difference minus 1. Middle letter P1 plus P2 by 2. Right movement n plus n. Left movement minus n. From right 27 minus n. Dictionary order: first difference wins. Middle order: arrange first then count. Cannot form word: no extra or no missing letter. Unchanged letters: original was sorted. Okay. Analogy: find A to B relationship, apply C. Number analogy: plus, minus, into, divide by, square and cube. Letter analogy: comparing positions and shifts. Cluster analogy: character by character. Reverse coding: A to Z and B to Y. Alphanumeric: letters and numbers separately. Okay. All the best. Thank you very much.